Guys, so I'm going inside of Dollar Tree and I am showing you how you can do your nails for $1. I think I've done this before in one of my previous videos, but I'm gonna do a recap on it. Okay, so going inside the store. Alright, so I actually spent a total of only $3. So I ended up just doing the rest on the voiceover. So I went ahead and used these ones because they matched my jacket that I was wearing that day. So I'm like, oh, I'm going to try these out. So basically they only last about like a week or so. But just I like to film a lot and change my nails out. So these are definitely cute to like film in. And if you don't really like any acrylics, you can get this as well. And hello, $3. What a great deal. So I'm just going to go in, and actually I didn't use the glue that I got from the dollar store. I ended up using this glue that I got from Cosmoprof, but it still worked really good. So it's like a pink gel, so that actually, this glue is for acrylic, so it made this press-on stand actually a little bit longer. So I'm just going in, making sure that it's the right size for each of the nail, and just gluing it on, and then holding it for like a couple of seconds for each nail. And doing the same, so now that one fit, I'm going to press it in there for a couple of seconds. And my nails are a little bit like damaged from when I got the acrylics done. Those hurt so bad and they're so hard to get off. Like, oh my gosh, you have no idea. It's so painful. But I managed to get them off finally, but that's good. So I'm just going to still continue. I didn't do every single one of them on camera because you kind of got the, the gist of it, of like applying them, pressing them down and everything like that. So I just did a couple of them offline and not on the camera. Oh, there I am. All right, so now I'm just going to do the middle one, press it down. And I keep pulling back away because I'm like pressing them and, dropping everything. You know what I'm saying? All right, so now I'm gluing this one on as well. And then I'm going to put this on my pointer finger. And look how cute these are too. They're very stylish, fun, summery, everyday, whatever you want to do. Got a little glue on the side, but no worries. And now I'm going to do my thumb here. And voila, they're a little bit shorter than what I usually do. These are more like rounded, squarish, but I normally go for the coffin long, like those long, scary, like scratch your back nails. Like, those are my favorite. And this is the final look of them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching this DIY nail look, and hope you guys have a good day. Bye.